Welcome back to a lecture series on GIS, and today's topic is measurement and coverage modification. Coverage, as we know that after digitizing you have a point, you have a line or a polygon, and you can modify, you can recode, you can edit, you can cut, you can delete, you can add. And measurement, normally how we do measurement after digitizing, after doing a proper georeferencing, the maps are digitized, so that we will let to know what is the area. Suppose if I digitize a a tank, I'll be able to know what is the periphery, I mean the total outer area of total outer length of the tank, that is called perimeter, or inside, that is called area. And what are the addition I can do, how I can give attributes by selecting the map, recoding the map as my convenient for my interpretation. So we will see that how this measurement and coverages works on GIS. And normally the measurements, it is the measurement of the distance between x and y. This is the beginning point at x and the ending point at y. If I start digitizing here to here, if I superimpose over the real Earth system, it will automatically give the distance. Measuring the length from one point to another point usually requires only definition of the points. That is pointing in the beginning and pointing at the end. Suppose if it exceeds, I need to have in between vertices. If it is inclined and moving here and there, I need to have many vertices. Otherwise, one point. If you want to assess with only 2 points, only start and end is sufficient for assessing. Perimeter, it is getting the distance around the features. That's what I said. If I digitize a tank, I'll be able to know about the perimeter of the tank. Getting the distance around the features may be in very few cases, often requiring only selection of the item and reading the value from the database. The area and the size, once if I digitize, I'll be able to know what is the area inside. It is 10 square kilometer area. Here it is a length, here it is area, and the size of the object. Suppose if I am digitizing vegetation alone, then I'll be able to find what is the vegetation, what is the area of town, what is the area of other features in the study area. And the measurements in the distance, you see A to B, as I said, A to B, Tirunelveli to Thuthukudi, Tirunelveli to Ramanathapuram, Tirunelveli, Thuthukudi to Ramanathapuram. Now I can put A to B is what? Suppose if this is Tirunelveli, Ramanathapuram is B. What is the distance? It is 200 km. And this is A, B, C, D. And the second one is C to D. That is Thuthukudi to Ramanathapuram. Thuthukudi to Ramanathapuram is 150 km. This is how distance is measured after doing all your digitization. And you can also prepare a statistical report by taking, you have polygon A, B, D, E, F, G. There are 5 polygons, and in this 5 polygon, how many villages are there? What is the percentage of villages with respect to the population? More than 700. And I will be able to get in terms of percent with respect to these 5 objects or the area. And I can also prepare a timber stands with respect to A how much, with respect to B how much, with respect to C how much. A, I have 3 units of covering this much area, percentage is this much, and area is this much, and totally finally you will get this will be compared with all the other polygons and it will give. And the second part of the discussion is coverage modification. This is also required sometimes. Coverage you can split, you can tile, you can see all your informations. Suppose if I have a map digitizing my total study area is Tamil Nadu. If I want to see northwest, I can select. It will come what are all the northwest district. I can select south. I can select the northeastern side of northwestern side. Sorry, this is Coimbatore, this is south, and I can split the tiles. And after preparing the tiles, I will be able to get. I can split even the tiles into different groups: tile A, tile B, tile C, and tile D for my analytical purpose. So this will be there. You can split based on your interest, and you can also update. Suppose if you have this is 3 digitized area, and suppose if you get 2019 these 2. You can add what will happen, the end product is added. Update is possible in graphics, and you will be able to get the changes in the attribute also. Suppose I don't want this is splitted, this is new district, I can cut and I can make it out. You will get your new features. I can delete even the generated one by taking very simple point, select this, delete, you will get the new one. So all these things which you can do, and you can delete by suppose if I have a timber, I don't want a very smaller timber in my study area, I can select delete stands less than 10 acres, automatically small areas will be deleted and only bigger timbers will be there in your output. And you can also see eliminate roads of less than 5 hectares. So automatically only bigger roads will come. So it is eliminated from this. And you see you can also delete villages within 5 km from a point. So this will be site suitability area. Suppose if I am going to erect a tower, my radius is only 5 km. I can see how many villages is going to get, and sometimes part of villages will get, part of villages will not get. And you can also dissolve the different, suppose I am these two taluks are merged, these two districts are merged, these two states, what will be the end point? You can put all dissolve options in this. Dissolve political redistricting, that's what I said. You can redefine. You can also recode. You select the original code and make one. So if I am going to consider these 6 villages, I am going to allot to a certain fellow, I can make it out, I can create a next column and then give a recoding. So this will also be useful. I can, so this is commercial land, residential, this is old. So now I am going to club 1 and 2, this becomes 1, 3 and 4, this becomes 2. This is agricultural land, this is. So this new name is given, new coding, this is old coding, this is the new coding. According to the new coding, your maps will change. So this is how it will be of more useful for any sort of analytical with respect to measurements or coding. Coding and recoding and merging, splitting, all these options are a very small basic analysis, but it has a lot of applications in GIS. Only what is required is a logical thinking for a person who is working with GIS is required. That's all about the discussion today. Thank you very much.